everyone! You see all that stuff behind me? Guess what is happening? We are off to another adventure, another trip, another road trip. Yes! Super excited! Welcome back to my channel, Just Go with Amreen. I am super thrilled and I can't wait to show you guys another emirate in UAE. The place we are going to is called Fujairah. It is my favorite emirate in UAE. The best time to visit Dubai, the best time to visit UAE is November to March, maybe April, but this is the month. And this is the month where people generally do a lot of outdoorsy stuff. They go to Fujairah, they do snorkeling, they go to the beaches, they have picnics and barbecues, they have camping, they have everything. This place is the only emirate which is located on the east coast of UAE, and it is famous for its beaches and snorkeling. So we are going to enjoy both and more. This place is about 134 kilometers away from where we live, which is in Dubai Sports City. So it's about an hour and a half away. But this is the Fujairah city that I'm talking about. So let's go, let's hit the road. Cheers! So on our way to Fujairah, we stopped at this petrol station to buy some supplies as usual. So there was this place, it is a nursery, it has so many plants and flowers that they sell. And I didn't know, but this area is called Maleha. And Maleha is actually part of Sharjah if I'm not wrong. And yeah, so this petrol station is on the way, and this nursery, you can't miss this. This is on your way to Fujairah. We just went and had a quick conversation with the guy who works here. तो ये दुकान कब से है? कितनी पुरानी दुकान है?
4-5 साल से।
आप अकेले काम करते हैं यहाँ पे या कोई और भी है?
दूसरा बंदा है।
तस्वीरें ले लूँ मैं? It was nice. What's the point of a road trip if you don't stop at such random spots, right?
Something that Fujairah is famous for is the existence of a series of rugged mountains that are trapped between Fujairah and the east coast of the Gulf of Oman, which is the most fertile regions of the country, and it is full of farms. On your way to Fujairah, there are these little trucks that you will find which sell fresh fruits and vegetables, and I stopped at one. If you're staying at an Airbnb and you want to cook something, the vegetables over here are super fresh, or if you also like to have some fruits, this is the place to stop and buy. And these are put up only during winter.
So we are here in Fujairah, but we are not checking into our hotel yet. We are still making stops. We cannot carry alcohol from Dubai to Fujairah. It's illegal. I've mentioned that in my videos before. We generally prefer to have our own alcohol when we go on a staycation or something, just so we like to choose what we want to drink. We have one more stop. So first stop alcohol, and the next stop Fujairah food. So let's go. Hi guys, so we are here at the Fujairah Fort. That right behind me you see, that is the Fujairah Fort. It is the largest and oldest castle in UAE. It was built in the 16th century, and it's been built with basic like stone and mud and things like that, and it's actually played a very significant role in resisting the colonial expansion in UAE. So that's
the significance it plays. The fort is located on the top of one of the tallest hills in the Gulf, overlooking the whole emirate, some 20 meters above sea level, and it is located in the heart of the emirate, in the city center. The Fujairah Fort offers its visitors a glimpse into an ancient past filled with challenging obstacles, while also providing spectacular views of the city. The fort covers an area of 610 square meters, and the entry to the fort is free. And the timings are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. However, due to COVID reasons, the Fujairah Fort is closed for visitors at this moment. Now we're headed for lunch, and it's almost 3 o'clock, and it's time for check-in as well. So let's go. Hi guys. So plans changed again. We decided to just check into the hotel. That is the hotel right behind me. I don't know if you can read that, but it's called Noor Arjan Hotel. We have one more stop to make. We have to eat lunch, we want to rest, we want to relax, we want to film, we want to enjoy. It's a lot of doing, and we have only 3 hours. So let's go, let's check in. My hair is a mess. Lunch, we changed, we freshened up, and we are headed to a place called Ain Al Madhab, and they are the hot springs which are located in the city center of Fujairah. So Ain Al Madhab is a park, and the hot springs are located inside the park. The fee to the park is 5 dirhams per adult, and the fee for swimming in the hot springs is 2 dirhams for adult and 1 dirham for a child. The Ain Al Madhab Spring Park is located in the city center of Fujairah at the foothills of the Hajar Mountains. The park is one of the best locations in the emirate to have a fun day, especially if you have kids and it's a family get together. It's a perfect place to organize picnics. They have a refreshing mineral-rich water that flows from the hot springs. Water from this hot springs basically is then drawn into separate pools for men and women where you can go swimming. Unfortunately, the swimming pool is not open due to COVID reasons. Also, people have the misconception that they can go into the hot springs and take a dip in it, but no, you can't. The public cannot go in the hot springs. Also, moreover, the hot springs are not functional right now because the flow of water is really low at this point. So the good part is everybody is pretty much socially distant. I think they are all amongst their own family members, or I don't know, groups of friends or whatever, but they are pretty far from one another. But there are a lot of people here. It looks like a really cool park to come spend the day, enjoy, and the weather is splendid today. Alright guys, so we are done with our first day in Fujairah. We had a long day in a road trip with multiple stops, so we are really tired. Although we are not that tired, we are still going to explore the Fujairah nightlife. So since Friday is a weekend, tonight would be the best night to actually go out and enjoy and explore the nightlife. So we are hitting a bar tonight, so stay tuned for a few more glimpses of that. Stay tuned for the next one because I still have to give you a room tour and explore the amenities of the hotel. Tomorrow we're going to relax a little bit and explore a little more of the Fujairah city. So stay tuned for that one. If you like this vlog, give me a big fat thumbs up. Tell me what you thought about the road trip from Dubai to Fujairah, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming and exciting vlogs. Bye guys! Cheers! Take care! See you next week!
Madhab, the N Al Madhab Park. Yeah, we just headed there right now, and the hot springs are fresh water. Are fresh water? ये क्या होता है? It is like the sweetest thing that can ever happen to you. November and Fujairah. Mwah! Heaven. Obviously, you can see the level of excitement is there. So I can't wait to get there. Oh, by the way, this place. Slow down.
Good God gracious, 2 trolleys. Oh my God, it's like we've not come here for 5 days. It's like we've come here for a month. Man, who travels like that?